Okay? Let's talk about our new DJI Neo. How to install the anti-collision beam of the DJI Neo is to use this buckle to fasten it to this position of the plane. And then there is a small buckle here. This buckle is buckled in this position of the plane. So when we install it, align it first. In the middle, there is a groove in the middle of this part above. Align the slot with this fin piece. Align it with the first longer fin on top. At the same time, align it with the top of the protective ring. After aligning both sides, and gently press it in. Then it's already installed. Installation. It's already installed. It's very firm and won't fall off. Then it's very simple to disassemble. Use your thumb to hold both sides and pull it out. And it's removed. To install it, just follow the same method. Align it. In fact, as long as this line is parallel to this line, this wire is parallel to this wire on both sides. Just insert it inside. And it's installed. It's very easy. Oh, Beamsate. Okay.